Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to solve an interesting geometry problem. We have two rectangles. The length of this rectangle is 8 units and the width of this rectangle is 4 units. And on diagonal of these two rectangles is common. We have to find the common area of these two rectangles. So we have to find the area of this red region. Consider this length is a unit, as the length of this rectangle is 8 unit, so rest of this length will be 8 minus a unit. So this is 8 minus a unit, and this side is the width of this rectangle, which is 4 unit, so this will be 4 unit. Now focus on these two triangles. This angle is equal to this angle, and this angle is 90 degree, as this angle is the angle of this rectangle. So this angle is also 90 degree. So these two angles of this triangle is equal. So rest of this angle is equal to this angle, and this length is equal to this length. So these two triangles are similar triangle. For this reason, as this is 8 minus a unit, so this will also be 8 minus a unit. So this is 8 minus a unit. Now applying Pythagoras theorem to this triangle, we will have this as height. So height a square plus this is base. So base square 4 square is equal to this length as hypotenuse, which is 8 minus a. So 8 minus a whole square, or this a square plus this 4 square is 16 is equal to, applying formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus twice ab plus b square. So applying this formula, a square, this is 8 square minus 2 times this 8 times this a plus this a square, or this a square from both sides will cancel, and it will be 16 is equal to 8 square is 64 minus 2 times 8 is 16 and this a, or taking this negative 16a to left side, we'll get positive 16a is equal to this 64 minus this 16, or left side 16a is equal to 64 minus 16, this is 48. Now divided both sides by 16, we will get a is equal to this 48 divided by this 16. 48 divided by 16 is equal to 3. So this length, this will be 3 unit, and this length is 8 minus a, as a is equal to 3, so this will be 5 unit. So this length is 5 unit. Now join this point and this point. Now focus on this triangle. The base of this triangle is 5 unit and the height of this triangle, this is same as this 4. So height is 4 unit. So the area of this triangle is half times base times height. So substitute the value, we will get the base is 5 unit. So 5 times height is 4 unit is equal to 5 times 4, this is 20, divided by 2, this will be 10. Similarly, in this triangle, the height is 4 unit and this base is 5 unit. So this area is same as this area. So the total red area is 2 times of this area, as this is 10 unit and this will also be 10 unit. So we'll get 2 times this 10 is equal to 20. So the red area is 20 square unit. And this is the solution of our given problem. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.